How do? Hey, hey. How do? Apologies for not coming off it late. If you've been following me regarding my weight and all that lot. I've been really rough. I don't think it's all to do with my diabetes, to be honest. It's just those males with mad asses when it comes to colds, aren't they? Right, so what have I done? Right, this is how I've done. 15 stone 13. I'll be honest with you, I'm not too bothered about my weight. What it is, you see. The reason I mentioned weight at the beginning was because if I'm going to reduce my carb intake, then it's just going to come a natural thing to lose weight. So I just thought I'd jump on bandwagon like everybody else, you see. This weight loss challenge. Last time I did it, I lost too much, to be honest. Too much weight. Right, how am I getting on? Right, today, thanks to Amy of Talbot Owners Club, I've managed to get me free tester, you know, for your bloods. So I'm going to be monitoring that I'm going to do it every day. When I get down to a certain level, I'll just do it once a week then. I'm going to go in and do it in a minute. That's it really. But I'll tell you what it is, these people with diabetes, when you're insulin dependent, God, they must go through hell. You know, regarding food, God and Bennett. I've even got to stage, like I said last time, I'm making keto bread. That's like, not 0 carbs, but it's near as damn it. But it's high in fat. You know, and when the object of this is to get my sugar levels and everything kind of normal, it's my arteries and stuff like that, you see, and my pancreas and kidneys, liver, all them things that they told me about that scared me to fucking death. Yeah, so anyway, it's just a really quick video, just let you know I'm getting on. So like I say, 15 stone, 13 pound. I haven't lost that much really since I started 4 weeks ago. My sugar level has got to come down because I'm not waking up in the morning rough, like I've been on beer rough. I'm not waking up in the middle of the night thirsty. I'm not, well, I'm saying I'm not craving sugar. I am. I need food. You know, but it's like, with me, it's after 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock at night. Oh, I'm terrible. I fit some locks. Yeah, get that out of the way now. Boring me to fucking death it is. Yeah, I fit some locks. There. And what happens is, you just turn like that. It just gives a bit of added security when you're out of the van, basically, because what happens is these vans are prone, because of this quarter panel here, this, they call it quarter panels, quarter window or whatever. A lot of the old style, the Mark 2s, sorry, the Mark 1s, you can actually open them. There's like latches, isn't there, you know, and then they open like that. Well, they can easily just reach down and open the door. What these do, well, you just can't do it. You know, they can go down to this, but they can't open the door because that's on. Regarding the lock, I wouldn't lock these at night time, just in case there was a fire, which you never know, God forbid. I wouldn't like to be struggling opening a lock, so I only use mine. Well, I'm only going to use mine when I go for a walk or go out anywhere. I know they can get through the habitation door, you know, but this is the deterrent in it, you know. That's when I'll use the lock and take the key away, you know. Now, yeah, the distance from this to the edge of this varies in each vehicle. For the sake of argument, I'm struggling here. If this is without the spaces, then it ain't gonna seat right. The distance from there to the edge of this has to be no less than 28 millimeters from there to there. If you go further down here, it actually gets wider. So what we need to do is use both of these. This one that I've had specially made just for you guys, and the small one as well, the thin one. So what happens is, oh, and don't forget, you've got to get it a bit away from there. For the sake of argument, I'll use this as a reference. It needs to be about there, like that. Don't have it buttered up, otherwise the thing won't turn. You've got to have it about there. Mark your holes and then drill. So that's them anyway. There they are, all done. When you've done, just put the screw ends on. Right, thanks very much for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Any comments below if you feel like, if you want to purchase some of these. I'll put a link below. Thanks again.